Me and J Man about to kick it. We gonna, he don't know, but he about to do some work. I'm about to go do a side job and I need a mechanic's helper, so I will be using little Neff. That's great Neff, guys. So my niece, that's my niece's son, that makes him great Neff. So we about to go do some side work on a, I think, oil field adapter house. So let's get it, guys. Alright guys, we're here. I think he waiting on me. He got the hood already up. So I'm just gonna pull in here and go straight to work, guys. Alrighty, let's get it. Alright, let's go see what he got.
Let me give you his order number. It's 212.
Ooh, got O-rings with it. Seal's good, cause I forgot mine. Let's see, guys. These are on back order, so if you can get one, even if it's aftermarket, you might want to go for it. Let me take a look at this. Yep, should be fine. We're gonna get this knocked on real quick. Let's take a look. Alright, y'all know the drill. Get ready to do an off at the adapter housing. Y'all know the intake come up. Air cleaner, lower intake, and we should be right there, guys. Now typically I'm not a big fan of draining the coolant radiator simply because you're not going to get it out of here when you drain it. Okay, so let me grab some tools and let's get to work. Here, put some gloves on. You know how to work on cars? What you mean you know? Oh Lord. Alright. You don't really know how to work on cars, but I'm about to learn them. So we got to get his gloves on first. Then we finna get dirty. We're finna replace some, finna work on this van, y'all. So, I don't know if he wanna be a mechanic. I'm really not for it, okay? You don't force kids to be something just because you will. You let them find their own niche, all right? You see me, yeah, he got his gloves on, so now we about to start tearing some stuff up, get some parts off, and replace some parts, all right? So, let's get it, man. This is all sitting down here in the middle of the galley.
Why wasn't never leaking no oil though?
See, it's gonna have to work its way out. So when it get full in here, it's gonna slowly start coming like through here and hitting the transmission and then falling down.
It wasn't bad. Well, every time I checked the oil,
Yeah.
they had to put no oil in it.
You may not physically see oil leaks, but
I just wanted to fix it because I didn't want to mess nothing up.
yeah, you can see like hitting. It's at the bottom of the base.
Okay. All right. What happened? I didn't fix it.
I mean, you just pretty soon. I've seen one van oil leak so bad it's hitting the exhaust and it's smoking, and she can start a fire doing that. Yeah, she can really All right, guys, getting that upper intake and the lower intake off wasn't that bad. So now it's time to gain access to the actual valve. All right, let's get it. So y'all see this? I'm missing an O-ring. That means the O-ring has to still be in the car. So we gotta go find it. All right. Ooh, we gotta get all of that out, guys. All right, I gotta go get my sucker now. I'm glad I brought it because I'm gonna try to suck as much of this out as possible.
What?
Now, if I was at the shop with compressed air, I would have blown these leaves out. You don't want these leaves getting into the system, but I'm outside with no compressed air, so I had no chance to do it on this one, but I can, however, suck some of this fluid out. All right, let me grab my sucker, guys. Alright guys, I got most of it out. I got some brake cleaner here. I'm about to try to clean this out as best as possible. Not gonna get it real good. I'm trying my best not to let no debris get down in those galleys. I'm not gonna have much luck doing that. So because I'm not at the shop. So you got to do the best you can when you're not at the shop, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna suck the rest of this out and then go with the installation. And we're gonna wrap this up, guys. All right. Remember, the installation is just the reversal of the removal. All right. So stay tuned. All right, go
Then me
ahead.
and my Uncle Red, we're gonna put this right back in the car.
What is that?
It's a piece to this car.
That is an oil filter adapter housing, right?
Yes.
I mean, it's gonna help the car stop leaking oil.
Yes.
'Cause oil leaks is bad, right?
Yeah.
All right. You know where that go? What's that in your hand?
A wrench.
What size wrench is that?
19.
9/16? 19. It's a 19 millimeter, guys. All right. So me and Jaden got some more work to do. We're gonna finish up this job. Then he say he want to go eat. This joker say he want Chick-fil-A.
Why?
Why you want Chick-fil-A?
It's good.
It's good.
Yes.
I hear that. A kid bragging on Chick-fil-A. Normally they brag on McDonald's. You don't like McDonald's?
I do, but not that good.
They're not that good. All right, we got some more work to do, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. I got the new, and I use that term lightly. I got the new off-fit adapter housing on, guys. I think I'm just used to the real thick quality OEM stuff that we use because this felt so flimsy, guys. And when I was torquing these down, you have to be extra careful. You feel like you're gonna go too far and the case just gonna crack. Oh my goodness, man. But I hope they give you a warranty. Y'all buy these aftermarket. I hope y'all getting a warranty on these because I don't see these lasting. Now it's hard for me to brag on OEM when what we're replacing is OEM, right? But from that standpoint, we are replacing a lot of the early edition. All right, so yes, they have been revised a lot. Now the latest one you get from Mopar is high quality, guys. It's all about quality, but this felt so flimsy. And guys, it's a new oil filter in there, but it's time to get ready to install the lower intake. Like I say, it came with new gasket, guys. Thank goodness, because look how flat the ails was. If you'd have reused these, you likely would have had a vacuum leak. All right, so this is fairly simple. I'm gonna put the intake on, put new gasket on, put the intake on, and I'll see y'all in a second. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got her done. We are wrapped up. Got this little side hustle job done. Got my little mechanic helper here. He helped me out a little bit. Introduce yourself, man. What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden what?
Jeffrey.
All right. You don't really want to be a mechanic, do you? You ain't sure. What you want to be when you grow up? Let me do. A basketball player. Uh-oh. All right, guys. So we'll see what happens. You let them make their own calls as far as what they want to be, and we support, but you go as far as talent would take them. So we'll see, guys. We got that done. So I'll see y'all later, guys. I got to get up out of here. I got some more. We about to go eat and Chick-fil-A. Y'all heard it. All right, I'm out. Thanks for watching.